Hey friends, if you encounter the error MSINFO32 or system information is not working, then please watch this video. Okay, it's not an error but a general thing. So if I open system information, I can simply open it easily. But if I'm not able to do that, then restart the WMI service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the WMI service. Since everything is in alphabetical order, it will be easy to find. Okay, Windows Management Information. Right click on it and then select restart. Okay, the next one is to reset the WMI repository. Now we have a command for this, which is winmgmt space / reset repository. I've shared all of this in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. The next command is to re-register the WMI components. Okay, so again we have a command for this. All you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here. Okay, and then lastly you can restore all the missing and corrupt files with an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.